Hello everyone, it's Andrea Mickles-Tadich with Wardley Real Estate in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I am standing here on this lovely, beautiful lot on the 16th tee box of Highland Falls Golf Course in Sun City, Summerlin in Las Vegas. We are hosting an open house today until 3 p.m. if you want to swing by and take a look at what this house has to offer. It has beautiful views, a kitchen with the 3 C's, counter space, cupboard space, and cooking with a view. Just want to let you know a little bit about my team. We do honor Make-A-Wish Foundation. Who do you know that is interested in buying or selling a house? We will donate a portion of our commission from any referrals to Make-A-Wish Foundation of Southern Nevada. So your referrals will actually help the kids. If you are interested in seeing this house or any house in Las Vegas, please give me a call, 702-544-1276. That's 702-544-1276. Thank you and have an awesome day.